Here's the head. I got my valves. I got the springs, the retainers, lapping. I got my lapping compound here somewhere. So I'm gonna do this today. Sit here and lap, put the head back together. Show all my stuff. These are the flat top valves. Flat top valves. Trying to get it out of there. I'm sure I can get it out of there. I'm doing this with one hand. I got this, guys. Alright, here it is. So the flat top valves, and here's the springs. These are single spring. They're not dual spring, but they're higher frequency than factory. So yeah, I'm gonna sit there, lap them, and hopefully we'll get done today. We'll see, guys. So, see that ring right there? That ring right there? That's a dirty ring. And this one, I just lapped it. See how perfect that ring looks? That's how you want it. It's a dirty one right there. This is one that's just being lapped. Show you where this is the lapping compound that I'm using, and where's my lapping tool? Don't lost my lapping tool. There it is. This is the lapping tool that I'm using. It's a little bigger than what I want, but this is the one I found. And yeah, you just put it right there. You just put a little dab of the compound on it. You don't gotta go all out. This is pretty harsh stuff. But yeah, so I gotta do all of them, intake and exhaust. So right now I just started with the intake. This is my first one, and then we'll be done. Not really. We still gotta put everything together. But yeah. Alright, so see, that's how much compound I'm using. But I'm also putting it on the valves. And that's the lubricant that I'm using. That's what I use. This is some good stuff right here. You find them at AutoZone, O'Reilly's, everywhere. Wherever you want to go get it at. The lapping compound, I bought it at Summit Racing. So that one is, they're all done like that. See at the bottom.